Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best vacuum cleaners. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Meet the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, a lightweight, powerful vacuum designed for deep cleaning carpets, stairs, and hard floors with ease. Priced around $121.49, this is a strong budget-friendly option for a vacuum with HEPA filtration, lift-away portability, and multi-surface cleaning performance. Lift-away technology lets you detach the pod for portable cleaning on stairs and furniture. HEPA Plus anti-allergen seal traps dust, pet dander, and fine particles inside. Swivel steering for smooth movement around furniture and tight spaces. Works on carpets, hard floors, and upholstery with strong suction control. Includes wide upholstery tool plus crevice tool for corners and furniture gaps. Lightweight design makes it easier to carry and use for longer cleaning sessions. Washable filters reduce long-term maintenance costs. Pros: excellent suction for the price. Great for allergy sufferers. HEPA filtration. Very versatile with lift-away mode. Easy to maneuver and lightweight. Cons: corded design limits mobility. Dustbin is smaller compared to premium models. Can feel a bit loud during operation. Number 4. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360. Meet the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360, a powerful upright vacuum built for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors with portable lift-away convenience. At around $187.99, it sits in the mid-range category, offering strong suction, HEPA filtration, and a large dust cup, great value for a versatile home vacuum. Lift-away technology for portable cleaning on stairs, sofas, and tight areas. Large dust cup capacity means fewer interruptions while cleaning. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen seal traps dust, pollen, and pet dander. Swivel steering for easy movement around furniture and corners. Works efficiently on both carpets and hard floors. Includes upholstery tool plus crevice tool for detailed cleaning. Corded powerful suction for consistent performance. Pros: strong suction performance for deep cleaning. Large dust cup equals less frequent emptying. Great for allergy control with HEPA system. Very versatile with lift-away mode. Cons: corded design limits mobility. Slightly heavier than compact models. Can be a bit noisy during use. Number 3. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful pet-friendly vacuum designed to remove hair, dirt, and debris from all floor types with ease. Priced around $119.99, this is a budget-friendly vacuum packed with pet-focused features, strong suction, and a large dirt tank, great value for pet owners. Triple action brush roll designed specifically for lifting pet hair and embedded dirt. Swivel steering for smooth and easy movement around furniture. Scatter-free technology helps clean hard floors without spreading debris. Edge-to-edge cleaning reaches corners and wall edges effectively. Large capacity dirt tank, 1L, reduces frequent emptying. 800W powerful motor, 1 HP equivalent, for strong suction performance. Works on carpets, rugs, and multiple indoor surfaces. Includes a 6-inch hose and cleaning attachments for above-floor cleaning. Pros: excellent for pet hair removal. Strong performance for the price. Easy to maneuver with swivel steering. Large dirt tank reduces interruptions. Cons: slightly noisy at around 80 dB. Not cordless. Limited mobility. Basic filtration compared to premium HEPA models. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E. Meet the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E, a premium upright vacuum built for powerful pet hair removal and deep cleaning across carpets and hard floors. At around $199.99, this model sits in a higher range of the Navigator series, but it delivers strong suction, HEPA filtration, and advanced pet tools, making it a solid value for pet-heavy homes. Lift-away detachable pod for portable cleaning on stairs and furniture. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen complete seal traps 99.9% of fine dust and allergens. Pet power brush designed to remove stubborn pet hair from upholstery and carpets. Brush roll shutoff allows smooth switching between carpet and hard floors. Swivel steering for easy movement around furniture and tight spaces. 2-speed control for adjusting suction power based on surface. Includes dusting brush plus 8-inch crevice tool plus 5-foot hose for detailed cleaning. Strong 1200W corded suction for deep and consistent cleaning. Pros. Excellent for heavy pet hair cleaning. Strong suction and deep carpet performance. HEPA Plus sealed system ideal for allergy control. Very versatile with lift-away and attachments. Cons. Slightly heavier than budget models. Dust cup is a bit small for the price range. Corded design limits mobility. Number 1. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful pet-friendly vacuum built to lift hair, dirt, and debris from carpets and floors with ease. At just around $119.99, it's one of the best budget options for pet owners, offering strong suction, large capacity, and pet-focused cleaning features. Triple action brush roll designed to lift embedded pet hair and dirt. Swivel steering for smooth and easy maneuvering around furniture. Scatter-free technology helps clean hard floors without pushing debris around. Edge-to-edge cleaning for corners and wall edges. Large 1L dirt tank reduces frequent emptying. 800W powerful motor, 1 HP equivalent, for strong suction performance. Works well on carpets, rugs, and multi-surface cleaning. Includes 6-inch hose plus brush attachment for above-floor cleaning. Pros. Excellent performance for pet hair removal. Strong suction for the price. Easy to control with swivel steering. Large dirt tank is very convenient. Cons. Can be noisy during operation. Not cordless, so mobility is limited. Basic filtration compared to HEPA models. If you're looking for a budget-friendly pet vacuum, this is a strong pick. Check the link in the description for the best deal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews like this.